This 4-door counter-depth French door refrigerator by Whirlpool has a fresh food capacity of 11.9 and a freezer capacity of 7.4 for a total of 19.4 cubic feet. It features a fingerprint-resistant metallic steel finish with the signature Whirlpool logo, external smooth touch temperature controls, and hidden pocket-style handles. Inside is bright LED lighting and 3 glass shelves. The middle shelf can be adjusted, and the upper and lower shelves are stationary. Below the shelves are 2 large crisper drawers. On the doors are 6 bins. 2 are adjustable and deep enough for gallon storage. All bins are removable for cleaning. In the freezer is a flexible ice bin that allows you to use the entire bin for ice, or save room in the bin for an ice scoop, ice packs, or other items. Also included is a metal rack, 3 gliding shelves, and 2 pull-out bins. To learn more about refrigerators and freezers, check out our buying guides at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.